How to remove Meta AI on WhatsApp. So if you want to remove Meta AI on your WhatsApp or on your Android or iPhone, it's the same thing. What you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. And once you open your WhatsApp here, you may have an option of Meta AI on the upper right side of your screen. But if you don't have the Meta AI option, then you just need to simply go back and you don't need to remove the Meta AI, right? So if you have the Meta AI option, then what you can do is first thing, you can't do that on your WhatsApp. So go back and then you can open up your settings application. Once you're on the settings, you can go with the apps and search for the WhatsApp. Or if you can't find that, then you can simply choose or select the WhatsApp application, tap and hold on to the application and go for the app info. Once you're on the app info of your WhatsApp, you need to go for the storage and cache, and you can clear the cache, and the main thing you need to do is clear your storage. So once you've cleared your storage, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't remove the Meta AI, then you can go back and open up the WhatsApp application and go for the upper right, which has that three bar, tap on the settings, go for the chats, and under your chats here you may have a Meta AI option under your chats, and if you have that option, turn off that option and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can remove the Meta AI on your WhatsApp on Android or iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.